Google Analytics is an amazing tool. It allows you to keep track of page visits, most popular pages, how many persons are finding your website, as well as the location that they are visiting your site from. Having Google Analytics on your Gatsby site allows you to collect all of that data and more. The first step that you need to do is to create a Google Analytics account. You're also going to create a property that will give you a tracking ID. This tracking ID is what you're going to add to your website, and we're going to be using the Gatsby plugin for Google Analytics to connect them together. Let's get started. Install Gatsby-plugin-Google Analytics. Then we're going to go into our Gatsby config file and we're going to add that plugin by adding resolve, the plugin name, and some options. In our options, we're going to have our tracking ID that you're going to get from Google. We're also going to say head true, anonymize true. A tool that I use is the Google Tag Assistant, and you can find it in the Chrome Web Store. It allows me to verify that my analytics has been implemented successfully, and if there are any errors, it shows me those errors. And that's it. You have successfully installed Google Analytics into your Gatsby website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.